Oh, that's good.
All right, here we go.
That's like him. If he gets tired, he'll try to grab his blanket off the cage and drag her into bed, go to sleep. Oh, he'll crawl up in my lap. Game's running funny. Yes. Our flashlight. RPK. RPD's not a real gun. Well, it might be nowadays. I don't know. Damn, I caught him in the chin.
Is anyone out there?
I had 300 HP. That's 89 more HP, man. I would tell you.
We are capturing Alpha.
Yes. Should. Should. Doesn't mean he does, but should. I don't know. I mean, it's fine if it's a game like Ready or Not, where it actually matters.
Stick together. Moving to your position. Hold tight.
Yeah. Kind of like what I do in there. Yeah, nah. I'll use the ground fucking. I forgot you lose your fucking guns. God damn it. This guy must be new. He's following me. What's wrong here? There's only like fucking 4 of us or 5. What the fuck? Jesus. Little bastard. He was so quiet until he ran around the corner and screamed in my fucking ear. About shot you. Ah, I was reloading. Yeah, I didn't have ammo. I said all my bullets went to that big guy on the left's forehead. That's why it's all white. He didn't die though. Goddamn honey badger thing I had. I wish it was an M4. I don't know what the fuck it is. Might be an M4. They don't have anything good on it. It's MK18. Ow. I didn't get a hit a single time through all that friendly fire, but yet when he fell over dead, I just fell over. It didn't burn enough, and I died. Jeez. Jeez. There's an ammo box back there behind you. Way back there, yeah. Next one's a F. Well, back there in that room. I'm trying to keep an eye on it for you, but I can't actually. Here you are. To the right, over there. It's on the map right there. What the fuck? Okay, it is. Okay. I didn't see it until like you got right there and it popped up. I was like, "There's nothing there. What the fuck is that bullshit?" Oh. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't worry about wasting ammo. I was gonna try to get it there, but the next one is a F. Shit. That's not gonna be good. Yeah, it will. I'll make do. It was outside there, so I didn't even own it. Run it back. Go on the back porch. You can guard it back there. Yeah, you can get from right there. Yeah. Good for Moss. They're quick. They're faster than we are. Yeah. Keyword. Try. Yeah, Lord.
Get ready!
If. Yes. Yeah. If.
Eyes open, guys!
It's me. Yeah. All right. Little fucking fire guy. That's why I have a flashlight. God damn it. The big guy in the back. Fire blocked my way. I had to come around the front, I guess. Fire's that way too. Shooting me? What the fuck?
Nice one, we got Alpha!
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, I need to look. Get clear! They're taking Alpha!
That's cool. Ooh, on the stairs, okay. Well, that's not good. Can't watch really both ways.
They're taking Alpha!
Yeah, see. Now, there's a reason I ain't with you. Oh, I don't want everybody to die at one fucking time.
They're taking Alpha!
Sorry, man.
Get Alpha! Counterattack's over!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Is there no ammo here? There's not. Shit. Alright, whatever. I ain't worried about it. I don't need it at the moment. Yeah, I was shooting, man. That one come up beside me, too. Yeah. Yeah. No mouse button for me. Smack him. I am.
Yeah! We destroyed Bravo! Nice!
Stop shooting me, fuck!
Securing Charlie!
My gun literally quit shooting. Yeah. I shot one in the chest like 6 times and my gun. I aimed at the guy, my gun just didn't shoot. I had full mag. I made sure before I went up there. That was weird. Annoying. I should have fucking died. Hmm.
Charlie's clear! It's ours!
All clear.
Dig in! We gotta hold it!
Seen people fighting over the hill over there before. That's pretty cool. Big guy downstairs. Yeah, we ain't got gas. We ain't got masks. Yeah, I'm right here. If you spawn back and ain't got a mask, don't move so much, you won't die as fast.
We're losing Charlie!
We're level 20 and about it. Good with that, man. I killed the guy, he went right in the back of his head. Like, yeah, it works. We're running away. You only got 2 mags.
Reloading. Taking Delta.
What you doing, Kane? What you doing, Kane? Come on, you guys. I'm good. I got that room behind you. No, okay. Make me mess up, buddy. I didn't know the arrow keys did that, but okay. I know, buddy. You don't understand. Oh my bad, dude. I need to go away.
New man again.
I thought that was hostiles over there still.
Reloading.
Fuck, they're persistent!
Get in. Speak up. How are we looking? Yeah, I'm alright. I'm over here. I'm okay.
Enemy on Delta!
Call him in the fucking face as soon as he came around the corner. Poor guy. Die, you motherfucker! What?
I'm going to reload. Last one.
Why is the roof on fire now? A little bit. That guy has an auto clicker. Okay, good shit, boy.
Hey, drop your. Yep, that's us.
Boy, quit your fucking shit. What are you doing?
Hey, I'm loading. Everyone, hey, what's your status? Good to go. I'm loading better. Come on. Kill them.
2 shots, 2 kills. Perfect. Okay.
I need to reload.
Yep.
Reloading. Lack on ammo, guys.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Echo. Yeah, I'm loading. Ah, shit. Last mag, last mag.
My pistol ain't got a flashlight either. Ooh, I got him. You in the bathroom? Damn it. Damn it.
Echo secure.
Hey, I got a flashlight in my pistol now. Yeah, our flashlight on it. Oh, you can't do it.
Over here.
Bullet. That bug still work here? No. Ah! No, the bug's not working at the moment. You can't EMF on it.
Okay, Foxtrot clear.
Got it.
I just got my weapon back and I was putting my night vision and I was on. Yeah. What gun is this man using? Why is it made that way? Ow.
Reloading. Gonna burn it.
Yeah, me too. That's fucking bullshit.
Shit, shit, shit.
Yeah. It's supposed to go 1 to like 12 times, but you can't get it to go that low. Unless he's like me and just wants to hip fire, which fair. He's got the click though, because he ain't got drum mags, does he? I don't think so. That's only 20 rounds in that gun too. Or 30 if you got extended mags. Why aim at that one? Of all the ones to fucking aim at, the one with the fucking teleporting skills ain't the one. Alright, guess I'm changing class. It did. I am. Well, I can't right now, apparently.
All right, let's get ready.
I guess I'll just stick with what I got for now. I'm watching you walk away. I see you put your mask on and walk away from me. What? Never heard that scream before in this game. I can't do the scream. There's a weird scream I've never heard before. Oh, flip me, you big fucker. Ah, the wall stopped it, you bitch. I don't know where he went. I can't see him anymore. Okay.
Alpha's clear, we got it. Ah, fuck! Here come more! Hostiles on Alpha! They're taking Alpha! Fuck! They're Alpha!
Nobody wants to hang out with me, I see. What the fuck? I don't know where everybody else is at. I'm just downstairs.
They're taking Alpha! They're taking Alpha! Hostiles on Alpha!
You can teleport back here to me, you bitch. Oh yeah, he seen me. He was like, "All right, you, all right." And get shot in the face 5 times real quick like then. What the fuck? It shouldn't go that way. If I can dive on this one, we shall see. Yes. Jesus.
Taking Bravo!
What the fuck? Alright. Shot that man 3 times in the chest and smacked him one good time. He still killed me in 1 hit. I was full health. Full health. I have armor. God damn it. Doing so well. Hmm. Oh shit. I got a fucking 30-round mag. What are you? Motherfucker.
I'm reloading.
He's like shooting. Like, I can't. I ain't got nothing. I can't shoot. I have nothing. Don't come out here and shoot you in the face and you walk away somehow. What? Bitch, if I see your fucking okay, whatever. Whatever. Ah, Molotov! Ah! God! Son of a bitch! Okay. Got 2 mags. Yeah, he threw a Molotov at me and teleported away. And that's when he was like, there's a teleporter below me. Yes. Flashlight ain't really helping though. Oh, I went blind for a second because whatever that was. Jeez. Was that a person or just the weird smoke being weird? The fuck?
Alright, this is getting ridiculous.
Yes, it is.
Hey, are we good? I'm good.
Alright, I got less ammo than I did last time. I'm perfect. Perfect and good. I can't just find ammo laying anywhere apparently. It's not a thing. I've got a mag and a half for my rifle and a pistol mag. So, yeah. If I die, I'll get ammo. I don't think they even spawn you with a knife in this one. They don't. Good shot, whoever that was. I think that was you. No, shit, I got in the face. Right before I did. It's gonna be hard to hold. You know, if you just hit space on it, you can hop over and still hit fire people. I'm dead. I was dead.
Last one! Last one!
You didn't watch those 6 people run in and murder me before they came over to you? You didn't happen to see that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. they ran and killed me so fast that you didn't even notice. They're like, oh, this came and attacked me. Nah, they came and murdered my ass so fast.
Reloading!
Only thing I had was the pistol, so of course. Shoot him with what? My finger? They didn't give me a knife in this one. I can't even stab him. I don't know. I swear. I think that's
We're at Delta!
it's QTS. So why it shoots faster, I think. Yeah,
IED! Where are you guys?
I could be changing classes right now, but fuck it. I'll just stick with the class I got for this one. Yeah. Yeah.
we thought you would die for sure.
Farmhouse, where was that last time? Don't look, motherfucker. Don't look. Oh. Mustache just.
Running dry here.
You know what? I don't care. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. There's a fireman chasing me to the bathroom. Bastard fireman. You're a bastard. No. Not. There's people on it. I'm trying to. Don't shoot me.
Cocksuckers.
I was trying to fire in there the entire time. God, no! Damn it! Shoot him! For God's sake, shoot that man!
We're securing.
It should be right there at the door to your left. Right there. In the bathtub. What are you doing? In the bathtub. Grab it. Check it for ammo. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm surprised, cause I tried that fucking suicide bomber. I just started spraying. Oh.
Asshole. I'm hit. Good. We got Echo.
I'm glad you got that, man. Yeah. That's why I kept waiting and waiting and nobody ever showed up. I was like, fuck it, I guess I'm gonna be the first one on E. Fuck bitch. Got time for that. Oh, I want that big guy. I ain't got ammo for the big guy. Alright. Alright. You bastards.
What are you doing? Just give up.
Bastards!
What he said.
I'm
Uh-oh. I didn't either. I did not either. I hopped in the bathtub. Like, oh, damn it. I should have laid down. No, I tried to fight. Arbalesta. I think he's had it the entire time, unless he picked it up. What you gonna do now, Mr. Provolone? Nobody likes consoles. You mean veto? What do you mean veto? I don't know how you do it, but I didn't veto it. I didn't vote, somebody else did. I don't mind you didn't. Turkey Provolone got one of them. Got 90 kills. We got 4 people that just popped up. Yeah, 'cause I didn't have an ammo or a weapon the entire time. You finally felt my plight.